Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger login error. You cannot use this feature right now. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error that you're unable to log in or you cannot use the feature right now. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back and open your settings app. Now in settings, just go for general, there go for VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back and here just go to App Store, go for search and search for Messenger. And you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find any kind of pending update, just try to update your Facebook Messenger. After updating your Messenger app, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart your iPhone or to your Android to fix minor glitches of your phone. So not true that you just have to quickly press on your volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here, after unlocking, you just have to retry to log in to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so open your settings app here. Go for general, go for iPhone storage. Just look for Messenger app here. Once you find Messenger, you just have to try to offload your apps. After offloading, you can reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if this will be fixed, if there will be any bug or any malware into your Messenger app, it will be fixing the stuff and you'll not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that there's any restrictions with your account, you just have to wait for almost 1 or 2 days, and after that, you just have to retry to log in and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.